Perfect.
What's going on, everyone? I'm the Grooming Guy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new or haven't had a chance to, please smash the subscribe button. It should be over here or maybe this corner. Doesn't matter. Smash it, hit the bell. You're gonna get notified every time I drop a men's grooming review. Today, we will be talking about Nivea Men's Creme for the face, body, and hands. 2.6 ounce can that I got here. Let's jump straight into the cost. So you got two options, 2.6 and a 5.3 ounce can. The one that I have, the 2.6, I only found it at Walmart in a 2-pack, and it was, I believe, $5.99. But I also found it on Amazon in a 5.3 ounce can, and there it was $5.33. And you can find that 5.3 ounce can either on Amazon or Walmart. Found it both places. Link will be down in the description, or links will be down in the description. Check those out if you're trying to grab it. Let's jump from cost into quality. So high-end quality, kind of low-end price, really. If you want to kind of see the texture of it and the scent, it's like it's a real light, clean scent, which I like a lot because it's not going to clash, or doesn't clash, with my colognes or beard oils. So I definitely do enjoy that. I did initially pick this up to use it as a face lotion, and if you watched any of my previous videos, I kind of have oily, greasy skin, which I mentioned in those videos. If you haven't seen those videos, links will be up here. Check those out. Shameless plug. But anyway, so yeah, too greasy, too oily for me. It was kind of heavy, so I ended up just turning into more body lotion, hand lotion, and that, for those two things, works amazing. So that was kind of my only complaint, really. The other complaint I have is just how tiny the container is, so it's not really going to last a whole long, at least for body and hand lotion. I would probably say I'll get a month out of it at the most. It is really good quality though, moisturizes really well, so you don't need a whole lot when you are using it for anything face, body, hands. It just, the quality is there. So the question remains, should you buy this or not? I'm gonna have kind of two answers for you guys, which I normally do, but I will say, if you have dry skin, like face or body, doesn't matter. More, I guess, just like face, you might have a face wash that dries your skin out, or you might just have dry skin in general. If you do, then hell yeah, you want to pick this up and try it. For the guys out there that don't, I mean, worst case scenario, you end up like me, where you grab it for $5, try it as a face lotion, doesn't work, then use it for body and hands. Not a big deal at all, and you're not paying a whole lot for it. So I say pick it up. Definitely pick it up, try it, see what you think. That's the review, fellas. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. Hope it saves you time, hope it saves you money. That's the whole point of all this that I do. But anyway, like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're new or haven't had a chance to, smash the subscribe button, should be in one of these corners. Then hit that bell. You're gonna get notified every time I drop a men's grooming review. Give me a huge thumbs up when you're done watching this video. And then make sure, if you guys have tried this Nivea Men's Creme, plan on picking it up, or have questions that I didn't answer in the video, drop those in a comment below. I'll get back to you 100% guaranteed. Until next time, I'm the Grooming Guy. I'm out.